Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to find the Swift code of Dutch-Bangla Bank Limited. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to find the Swift code of Dutch-Bangla Bank Limited, what you need to do is first simply head over and open up a browser, then on the search bar type in dutchbanglabank.com. And once you're inside here, tap on internet banking and then tap on login to internet banking and log into your account. Then simply open up a DBBL bank statement, printed or e-statement, and the Swift code is often mentioned at the top or bottom section. The next method is by simply calling the customer support, as DBBL helpline in English is +880-9612-222 and 344 and asks what is the Swift code of the DBBL branch. Then you can also use the Google browser and then on the search bar type in Swift code of the Dutch-Bangla Bank, and once you type on it and the search result loads, the Swift code of the Dutch-Bangla Bank will be displayed, which is DBBLBDDH, but they also have specific codes for branches like DBBLBDDH105 for their Mutijel foreign exchange branch located in Dhaka, Bangladesh. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.